All right, and Prime Minister Modi called for a review meeting to look into what's unfolding in Kuwait, as there is information of over 40 Indian nationals who have died in the tragic incident as a fire engulfed a building in Kuwait. Those are the visuals on your screen of Prime Minister Modi chairing a high-level meeting to review the situation. Several other Indians have suffered injuries and have been admitted to a hospital as well. The Indian ambassador paid a visit to them and assured them of all possible help. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also held a high-level meeting, and as I mentioned, the MOS MEA KV Singh was rushed to Kuwait to oversee operations. The building had far more people living in it than its actual capacity, according to reports that have emerged.
सबकी संवेदना है उन परिवारों के साथ जिनके लोग वहाँ थे और इस घटना में उनकी मृत्यु हुई है। अभी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हम लोग की बैठक ली है और हम लोग यहाँ से कल सुबह वहाँ कुवैत के लिए रवाना हो रहे हैं। वहाँ का जो सिचुएशन है उसका स्टॉक लेंगे। जो घायल हैं, जिनको चोटें हैं, जहाँ अस्पतालों में हैं, उनका जायज़ा लेंगे कि उनका इलाज कैसा चल रहा है। जो हम लोगों की रिपोर्ट है, हम लोगों की एम्बेसी के सारे वहाँ पे अधिकारी कई बार जा चुके हैं। उसके साथ साथ कुवैती अथॉरिटीज़ भी बार बार विज़िट किए हैं और हम लोगों के पास जो रिपोर्ट है कि जो घायल हैं उनकी अच्छे ढंग से देखभाल हो रही है और जिनकी मृत्यु हो गई है उनकी जल्दी से जल्दी उनका आइडेंटिफिकेशन का प्रोसेस चालू है और उनको जल्दी से जल्दी देश ले जाने की तैयारी है।
Dozens more are injured, so it's really a terrible situation. It's a reminder, sadly, of how much our migrant workers suffer when they go abroad hoping to make something to support their families at home, and they end up in this kind of terrible conditions. I pray and hope that the government of Kuwait will take very stern action against whoever is responsible and will also help compensate the families who lost their loved ones.
All right, and those are the visuals of Prime Minister Modi chairing the review meeting, even as the information of the Indians who have died in the fire at a building in Kuwait emerged. High-level meeting, crisis meeting right now being reviewed by Prime Minister Modi.